So hey everyone, finally we are seeing something significant regarding Google's Pixel Watch. As we all know, Google I/O 2022 is rapidly approaching and suddenly this happens. Yes folks, here are the real life images of the Google's Pixel Watch. The watch was found chilling in a US restaurant before its release. With the Pixel Watch said to be on the horizon, speculation regarding Google's first wristwatch is heating up. The Mountain View giant has changed its website to accommodate the watch, and the company has also recently filed a trademark for the name of the watch. And now for the first time the watch has been spotted in the wild. The images shows off a very sleek Pixel Watch. The display is curved all the way to the edge, but the metal underside can be seen on one of the angled pictures. There is only one image of the wearable on display, and it is the boot screen with a white G on the black background. As a result, we can't see the entire display or how thick the bezels is. In my opinion, the watch design is fantastic. Google has chosen a very unique and spherical shape, which is exactly what we have seen in the renders and the marketing materials. So how did we came across these images? The Pixel Watch was discovered in a US restaurant, reportedly abandoned by an employee who may have brought it there for testing. That guy took a few photos and uploaded them to Android Central.
Where is the watch? Excuse me?
If the images are genuine, this is the first time we have seen the fabled Rohan watch. 9to5 Google found the code hidden in a Google update indicating that the Pixel Watch will use an Exynos chipset rather than Snapdragon model found in most Wear OS 3 eligible watches. They were also able to obtain a band which appears to attach directly to the casing, and it is made up of a jelly-like substance similar to Apple Watch Sport bands. It appears to be a proprietary band, and it appears that you will be limited to Google-made bands. There was no charger left with the watch, although it is feasible that it may charge from the back of the watch case. Fitbit Versa 3 and Sensei smartwatches as well as Apple Watch are also charged in this manner. The source indicate that the bottom looks metallic but feels like it's coated with the glass. According to previous speculations, the watch would be powered by a Samsung CPU with 32 gigs of storage, making it one of the greatest smartwatch of 2022. According to rumors, it will be shown with the Pixel 6a at Google's I/O conference. So what are your thoughts on this Google's Pixel Watch? Do you like it or not? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.